Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel 2016. Alright, let's begin. So the VLOOKUP function basically helps you to search for an answer quickly. So you can see here, right now we have all the students with the grades. And what we want to know is, we want to know if you hit 90, you have like a grade A. So this should be shown here. And same for 45, means a score below 45 is a F. So that's what we want to have. So with the VLOOKUP function, you can quickly find the value of this. Let me show you exactly how. First of all, type in equal, and then you type in VLOOKUP. Then open parentheses, and then we have here our formula. I'll just click on the formula builder. So you can see here, now we can put in the value. So what we need, the lookup value. So what is the lookup value? In this case, we use 90 here. That's the score. That one will be the searching value. So we have 90, and we have to search through this table here. So then second question, what is the table array? Table array is all the values in a table where we can compare the value in the lookup. So in this case, these are the values that we need to compare with the number we want to check. So that's this table array. Next, column index number. This column index number is based on the where is the value where we want to get, or in which column is the value. So right now we have this value here that shows you the comparing value, but we want to get the value of the second table. So we say here in the second column, sorry, it should be the second column. In the second column we will get the value. Finally, there's a question, range lookup or match lookup. So basically there are two options. Match lookup means if you have 90 as score, it should search you exactly for 90, and same if you have 73, so it should look up here for 73. In this case we don't have an exact match, we have range lookup. So this is true. So to make true, you put in number 1. If you want it false, you put in number 0. So I'll put in number 1, done, and there you are. So you can see here. And now, if you will drag this, you will see that something will happen that is not correct. I'll drag this down. You can see we have a not available answer. And the reason why here this value is not available, as you can see, we're moving down. And then the formula is moving down. Reason, we need to freeze the cells. Click on these here. These are the table cells. That's one we need to maintain or lock into place. Click on the first one, A12, type or press on F4, you can see now dollar signs. Same here, F4, enter. So now we lock the values into place, scroll them down, and that's how you do it. So if you want to know more, check out the link below. In there you can find more information about Excel. We have a complete Excel course in there.